Alright, so, but the first pun was good, because it was, I guess I don't think anyone thinks my puns are kind of punny.
Okay.
I said it wrong, but we're doing an unboxing.
Okay.
I already said that, but we're doing an unboxing. It is for Beauty and the Beard.
Am I?
I don't know.
Beauty and the Beard, am I?
Alright, so we're doing an
So
unboxing.
who do you think this is from? Dad knows this person.
Beauty and the Beast.
No, well, that's kind of, it's a take on it, but it is from one of Dad's actual reviewer friends, and his name is Dan C. Bearded. It's from him and his wife's Etsy company. And what do you think it could possibly be?
More. So,
Do you think it's beard stuff?
Should I just say yesterday? Yesterday we did brushes.
Yep.
So today, I'm going to think. Maybe this is brushes. Because I've stepped out of my comfort zone for brushes. Because I have...
I would suggest not cutting it.
No.
I would rip it. I would rip
it
it.
like a man.
It doesn't rip because it's actually, it is not rippable.
It's unrippable. But is it unbiteable?
Unbiteable. Yep. It's unbiteable too. It's... What are you doing? Okay.
I got it!
Tiger Man here is... That's funny. Okay, what are you gonna do? Okay, Kaden. It's gonna break. It's gonna break open. Okay.
No.
Okay.
No, I'm just gonna take it out of here.
Yeah, because what are they? Because it's Christmas time.
Just get over here. Just get over here.
No, you just need to open it. Hang on. These are...
Hey, I ripped it open with my teeth.
There we go. Okay. Ooh, there we go.
No, like, you guys can't admit, like, I did rip it open with my teeth.
Some very nice wrapping.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Those look like cookies.
And they're not cookies. They are. Ooh.
Jinx. You owe me a soda.
Oh, well.
No, you're gonna have
I
to
buy you a soda all the time.
You're gonna have to run to the store right now and get me a soda.
What does it say?
Ho, ho, ho. Bearded. And... it's Christmas!
So these are from our buddy Dan C. And I bought these from their Etsy store. These are Christmas ornaments.
Which we're gonna hang.
Our Christmas
We're gonna
trees.
do a video of this, and this video is gonna be in a month. We're just gonna warn you. This video isn't gonna come up yet, but we're gonna make a video of hanging these on the tree.
And they're cool. They have they're just simple wood.
And then we're probably gonna edit it out so then it skips to nighttime so we can see what it looks like on the dark with the tree light up.
Yeah, these are cool. These are wood. These are like little wood cutouts. They're nice quality ornaments, and they're fairly good size actually. So
I did this last.
Thank you very much. Oh no, not the duck again. Not the chicken. Not the chicken. Hate that chicken. Somebody bought us these chickens, and we haven't been able to get rid of them. Okay. They do hurt, so yeah.
When they scream, when they do that, it hurts so bad.
I know, it's horrible. It's a horrible...
I'm torturing myself.
Okay. Wait, I think anybody looking for
Sorry.
a cool, unique Christmas ornament idea, these are awesome.
You know what?
And definitely, look at this one, the bearded. You can't go wrong with bearded. And ho ho ho, and a Christmas tree.
Guys, this chicken has tortured you.
Okay. No, what are you doing? Oh, you're gonna kill the... Uh-oh, he's gonna lightsaber the chicken. Dun 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 dun. Oh, the chicken died. Okay. You're kind of violent with these. Are you Kylo Ren?
The reason I was violent with it is because it was perfect for the red lightsaber.
Ooh, okay. Alright, well, what do you gotta say, Kaden?
I got
Cool
a
ornaments.
flashlight.
Cool ornaments and
By the way,
a disco lightsaber.
Yeah.
That we.
Dun, 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 dun. By the way,
No more
the
D's.
disco lightsaber is not included. We got this at a yard sale.
Indeed. Okay, Kate, you're not even on the screen anymore, buddy.
Sorry.
What are you gonna say? You gonna say goodbye?
I'm gonna say goodbye. Thank you for joining us today. I'm still not on the screen. Goodbye. Thank you for joining us today. It was an amazing day. Definitely buy these also. Just so you know, like, they're true. They're very, very true. Wood.
It's very good quality wood. Yeah, these are solid. These are nice. Okay, buddy.
And I want to show you guys this. I learned this from class. Every single line of these in here, that's a year for its growth.
Oh, very
So
good.
every time, so when the lines were big, like this line, it means it got quite a bit of water. When it goes into this line right here, it means like it got barely any. With these lines, it got barely any.
The smaller lines.
Yeah, smaller lines like this line at the final
It's
line.
like drought.
Look at them. It looks like it was in drought.
Very good. Well, very smart. And somebody learned something new today. Okay, Kaden. We'll see you later.
No, wait. I have to do it.
What are you gonna do?
We're going to set this way back. I want to make sure it's not recording.
What are you doing? It is recording.
All right. Oh no, I want to make sure it's not. Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
It's Fortnite.
yeah.
Dance. He's been playing way too much Fortnite, folks.
Yeah, I
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Back to
I have.
Fortnite, Kaden. It's Saturday. We're out of here. Peace.
I don't feel like
GoPro,
doing
stop.
anything.
Stop recording, GoPro. GoPro, stop the recording.